the thread register number URK17CS107, and today we are going to see our first experiment, which is a BMI. We have to create a BMI application in Android Studio. So this is the particular front end which I have designed for my BMF application. So let's say how I coded this thing. So I am using a constraint layout initially. Then I have added one text view with a given ID weight, and I have given a text which is showing as weight. Then I have added edit text which will take input from the user, followed by another text view which will show what we have to put in the next edit text. So here I have given text as in height. Then I have given another edit text. Here the user is going to put the value of their height, and then I have created a button. So when user will click this calculate BMI button, so it will show the result. Next we have text view which will show the result which will show the result on the which will show the result given on the basis of the input given by the user. So now let's come to main activity, where we have actually coded using a Java. So I have created three variables called as edit text h, edit text w, and one text view with a variable called as re. So the variable w I have given as id, reference id as an weight 1. So when the user will put the value of weight, so it will be given to variable w. So when the user will put the value of height, so it will be given to the h. And when we have to display the result, so the value of text, so the text view that we have created with the following id result, it will give the value to the variable re. Now what I have done is I have created a function called as calculate BMI, in which I am taking the value of h, that is height, and weight, that is w, and then I am getting a text and then string, and then I am converting it into a string called as height string, which will store the value of height, and then string weight string, which is w, that will store the value of weight. Using if conditions, I am taking the values now. So let's say if initially the height string is null, then what we have to do is we have to that means we have to store the value given by the user in the height string, and also same thing we have to do with the weight string. After that, we have to convert this height value. Initially we are taking it in a form of string. Now we have to convert it in the form of float. So for this we are using float.parseFloat. So the height string, so the value which is in string now will be converted to float, and then we will be dividing it with 100. We will be doing same thing with the weight also. Now we have to create a variable. So I have created a variable which will store the value of height of our BMI. So the formula for the BMI is weight value divided by height value into height value. So what I did is I have created a BMI with float, and then I am calculating BMI by using this formula, and then I am creating a display BMI function, and I am passing a BMI as a parameter. Now coming to the display BMI, I have been passing a BMI as a parameter with a type float. So our string BMI label will be initially empty. Using if else condition, we are checking the BMI. If it is less than 15, so value will be displayed as severely underweight. If it is greater than 15, less than 16, then it is severely underweight. So this is how I have created an if else conditions to check what is the actual condition of the user. So I am setting a text as a BMI value of BMI label into re, and re is our text view where we are going to see the result. So now let's run and see how this program works. So this is our application BMI calculator. So in this particular section we are going to add weight value. Now here we are going to add the height, and when we click calculate BMI, here we are going to get our BMI value along with our type. So we are normal and with a BMI value of 24.69136. So this is how this application is going to work. So now we have successfully completed our experiment number 1 of creating BMI application using Android Studio. Thank you.